In today's video, I am going to teach you how to play Roblox in Google Chrome or any web browser. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. If you prefer another web browser, that is fine too, because the process is very similar. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar or address bar at the top of the screen. From there, type in easyfun.gg and open the website. After you find Roblox on the site, select it to begin. Depending on how the platform works on your device, the game may start loading directly in your browser window. This can take a little time, so be patient while the page finishes loading. If the browser asks for permissions, such as allowing certain features to run, read the prompt carefully and approve only what is needed for the game to function. As the game opens, make sure your browser window is large enough for comfortable gameplay. Once Roblox is fully loaded, you can begin playing directly from your web browser. At that point, just follow the on-screen menus and choose the game experience you want to join. Just open your browser, visit the website, and launch the game from there. That covers everything you need to know.